Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. If you're just curious about the latest in smartphone technology, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Image sensors. Samsung is reportedly sticking with its current image sensors for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, according to a reliable insider. These sensors, already used in the Galaxy S24 series, have proven to deliver excellent photo and video quality, so Samsung seems to be focusing on refinement rather than overhauling the camera hardware. While some may view this decision as a lack of innovation, it actually highlights Samsung's confidence in the capability of its existing sensors, which are among the best in the industry. The company has developed a reputation for producing devices that capture stunning detail, vibrant colors, and excellent dynamic range in both photos and videos. By using these well-tested sensors in the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, Samsung ensures a reliable and consistent user experience, especially when paired with software enhancements and image processing improvements. Additionally, sticking with the same sensors allows Samsung to focus on perfecting other aspects of the camera system, such as optimizing image signal processing (ISP), software features, and post-processing techniques like computational photography. This strategy helps maintain high performance in real-world scenarios, ensuring that users continue to capture high-quality media without the need for dramatic hardware upgrades. Charging levels. Next, let's discuss the charging capabilities of the new models. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will maintain the same maximum charging levels as their predecessors. This decision might come as a surprise to some, especially with the ongoing advancements in fast charging technology. However, Samsung's existing charging speeds are already quite efficient, providing a good balance between quick charging times and battery health. By keeping these charging levels consistent, Samsung continues to prioritize the longevity and safety of its devices. Design similarities. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will closely follow the design principles of their predecessors, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. Samsung has embraced a modern and sleek aesthetic that has resonated well with users, and the S25 series will maintain this visual appeal. The overall design will be clean and minimalistic, featuring premium materials like glass and metal for a polished look. The flat display and streamlined form factor contribute to a more comfortable and premium feel in the hand. While the overall design remains largely unchanged, there could be subtle refinements such as thinner bezels, more symmetrical edges, and slight adjustments to button placement for better ergonomics. By keeping the design similar, Samsung is reinforcing its brand identity, creating a sense of continuity that appeals to users who enjoyed the previous models. This strategy allows existing users to transition seamlessly to the new devices while also maintaining the premium look and feel that defines the Galaxy S series. Familiarity in design also helps users prioritize aesthetics, ensuring the S25 and S25 Plus will be instantly recognizable as flagship models. Official premiere. Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S25 line is set to be officially unveiled in mid-January 2025. As with previous Galaxy Unpacked events, this launch will likely be a major spectacle, offering tech enthusiasts a detailed look at Samsung's latest innovations. Samsung typically uses these events to showcase not only their new smartphones, but also other devices and software updates, giving a broader picture of their vision for the year ahead. The Galaxy S25 line is rumored to bring refined aesthetics, improved performance through the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, and next-gen camera technology, such as the rumored 50MP ultra-wide sensor on the S25 Ultra. In addition to hardware enhancements, fans may also get a first look at updates to Samsung's One UI, their custom Android skin, as well as potential improvements in battery life and display technology. The premiere event will likely be live-streamed worldwide, allowing tech enthusiasts to tune in and see all the details as they are officially confirmed. Be sure to stay tuned for updates as we inch closer to January 2025, when Samsung is expected to reveal not just the Galaxy S25, but also potential surprises that could define its mobile lineup for the year. From the unchanged image sensors and consistent charging levels to the familiar design and the official premiere date, there's a lot to look forward to. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.